Hello, she. Good evening, she. Hi. Wait, I saw someone. Is that your sister, she? Why did you turn off your camera, she? What? What is happening? Okay, now. So, how are you tonight, she? Okay, well, that's good to know. She, can you tell me first what did you do in the morning as well as in the afternoon? Oh, okay, very unusual, she, because you usually wake up at 10 o'clock or 11. Okay, so waking up at 7 o'clock, that's very unusual to you. But yes, there's a reason. It's because it's really hot. Your air conditioner was broken. And was it fixed now, she? Is it fixed now? Is your air conditioner okay now, she? Oh, so you can sleep tight later and wake up at maybe 11 tomorrow. So please make yourself comfortable, she, and we will start right away for a moment. Okay, let me share my screen. And yeah, as I've said last time, we will have this one again talking about directions. She, in here, you have to tell me where the person wants to go. Okay, we have here the answer. Go straight Go straight 2 blocks and turn left. It's on your left. Okay, it's on your left. So here's the person, the first person, she. So where do you think he is going? The direction says go straight 2 blocks and turn left. It's on your left. Mhm. So the question would be, where is the can you say it again, she? Because I can't bank. Yes, it's the bank, right? Because here's the first person. It says you have to go straight 2 blocks first, second, and then turn left. Okay, turn left. It's on your left. Okay, it's the bank. Next one, she two. Go straight 1 block and turn left. It's on your right. Here's the second person, she. So it's where is the It's okay, she. Take your time. Yes, it's where's the hospital. Okay, well done, she. What about for three? Go straight 2 blocks and turn right. It's on your left. Here is person three.
post office.
Okay, yes, it's where is the post office? Very good, she. Wait, let me write that. Okay, now what about for four? Go straight 3 blocks and turn right. It's on your right.
Um, where is the zoo?
Great job. Okay, where is the zoo? Five, she. Go straight 1 block and turn right. It's on your left.
Oh, is where is the train station?
Okay, yes, where is the train station? Last one, she. Go straight 2 blocks and turn left. It's on your right.
Where is the airport?
Okay. Yes, it's where is the airport? Well done, she. Okay, so I am confident that we can now proceed to another lesson since you were able to answer that activity with ease. Now we'll have lesson 36 at So we will be talking about the rooms in the house. She, okay, let us have this one first. Okay, so you will be Maya and I will be Alex. Where's Dad?
He's in the garden.
I didn't see him there.
Really? Maybe he is in the
Garage.
garage then.
Do you know what a garage is? She?
No.
Oh, no, you don't? Okay, now when we say garage, it is a place in the house, often outside, where you can park your cars and motorbikes or even bicycles. Okay, garage.
Gara.
Okay.
Do you have a garage, she?
No, in Vietnam, uh, some some people have um, so many money because uh, some that people uh, a, a little people have a garage in their home, but
Oh,
in Vietnam, uh, in Vietnam, people usually uh, have a big yard and they uh, their
they
car
park.
is in the yard.
Oh, okay. In your family, do you have a car?
Yes,
So where do you park your car? In the yard?
yes.
Oh, I see. And that is perfectly fine as well, she. Thank you. Do you have a garden, she?
Mm, yes, my grandpa like tree.
Oh,
His his uh his has a a big garden.
okay. That's very nice. What does he plant? What vegetables or flowers or specific trees does he plant,
Uh,
she?
his like flower
Huh?
and some rose. My
Oh,
mother,
roses.
my mother has some rose.
Okay, that's very nice. Yeah, it adds a beauty to the house. She, have you tried planting? She, have you tried planting?
Yes.
Oh, what did you plant?
Um, I turn. Uh, I watch in YouTube and one twice day of week. I I some I don't know. I usually uh, turn the rose with my mom.
Okay, she, thank you so much for that. Now, let us proceed to exercise. Do we have here rooms? The first one, what's this? She?
This is the living room.
Okay, yes, that is correct. What do you usually do in your living room?
I usually watch TV, draw on the table, and play with my younger sister.
Oh, okay, interesting. She, do you watch TV with your family or you just watch with your sister?
I watch with my younger sister because my mom and dad go home at 6 or 7 o'clock p.m.
Oh, okay. So who who looks after you two? While your parents are at work, who looks after you and your sister?
Um, I have a I have grandma and I have grandma and sometimes I go to my grandparents' homes.
Okay. Do you live near your grandparents? She?
I I in my house now.
Oh, you are in your grandparents' house now. Okay. I see. I thought you are in your house, is she? Next one now. What room is this?
This is the bathroom.
Okay, yes, very good. Is she? Do you want to have your own bedroom? She?
Yes, I have a bathroom and in the bathroom I have a piano.
Oh, Okay. What do you like most about your bedroom? What do you like most about your bedroom, she?
I like my piano.
Your what, she? You like your?
I like my piano.
Oh, you like your piano best. Do you play it every day?
Yes,
Oh, okay, I see. So you must be good at it by now, she. You should send me a video of you playing the piano.
yes, I have some video in my class, and my teacher uh, sent the this that that video for my parents.
Oh, interesting. See, you should try to maybe send that one in the group so I can see it as well. That would be lovely. She. Okay, now next one. What's this? She.
This is the kitchen.
Okay, yes. Do you know how to cook? She.
Yes. Do you know circle rice? Um,
Eggs.
I I can I can cook uh cheese bread.
Oh.
Cheese bread circle are uh, in uh, in the circle rice have one one black. Do you know this?
Okay, interesting. She at such a young age, you already, I believe you love cooking. I Who taught you how to cook? Who taught you how to cook?
I I not understand.
Wait, who taught you how to cook?
I watch in the TV.
Oh, really? I thought maybe it's your mom, dad, or grandparents, but you just watch tutorials. Okay. Yeah, you can learn a lot online, she. Okay, interesting, she. Next one. What's this, she?
This is the bathroom.
Okay, yes, it's the bathroom. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me again? What's this?
This is the
Be-
bedroom.
Very good. She bedroom. Next one.
This is the living room.
Great job. Next one, she. What's this?
This is the kitchen.
And what's this?
This is the bathroom.
Okay, well done. Now let us have another one. We have here this beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, this beautiful garden. Okay, so if you can plant a vegetable, she, what vegetable do you want?
Mm, I want to plant uh, sweet potato because I so very like sweet potato shake cheese.
Oh, Oh, okay. So sweet potato is your favorite food?
Um, no, I sometimes or twice a week eat sweet potato because
Okay, that's
I
fine.
I like my mother's rice.
Oh, okay, your mom make it. Okay, I see. What do you put inside the sweet potato?
Uh,
Do you put something inside it or no?
no, my mother.
Okay, and that is fine. It's okay. Thank you. Next one. What's this?
Uh, I don't know.
This is the balcony. Balcony.
Ban công,
Yes. Do you have a balcony?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, what do you do in the balcony?
Once a week, I sit uh I sit in on this because I eat some uh chips, potato and snack.
Okay, so when you want to eat a snack, you'll go to the balcony.
Yes.
Okay, and now next one. What's this?
This is garage.
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 Yeah, it's the garage, where we park our vehicles. Now, next one, we also have, what is it?
House hat.
No, it's not a house, It's inside the house, It is what we call an attic. Attic.
Hat.
Wait, attic.
gác mái,
Okay, so
Oh.
basically it is the open space or room located directly under the roof, or above the ceiling, okay, of the top floor in a building or in a house.
Okay.
Do you get it,
I like this,
Oh, you
but
like this? Yes, I've
but
seen.
mom, but my mom don't like.
See, it's really beautiful.
Yes. We can
Okay, so
we
you don't
can
have an attic.
we can we can live in this and I want to this is
Room.
my bedroom.
Yes, indeed, it will be really beautiful. Yes, you can make this as your bedroom. See, it's really nice, but of course, since your mom doesn't like it, then we don't have a choice, See, it looks
And
really
teacher,
beautiful. See?
my I my home has a big this, but my mom doesn't like because it in
Oh, okay. So you have to do a lot of cleaning, she. You have to clean it if you want it to become your bedroom. And as well, you can put a window here so you can see the stars at night or the clouds in the morning and in the afternoon. It's really beautiful and it's a good idea as well, she. So that is attic. Now, going back, she. Okay, can you tell me again what's this?
Uh, this is
Hmm? Can you remember? It's a
bal-
balcony.
botany. Okay.
Yes, balcony. She next one.
Uh, this is attic.
Yeah, attic. Attic. Next one.
Uh, the garden.
Yes, and the last one.
This is the garage.
Okay, yes, very good. She and yes, that would be all it for our class. On Wednesday, we'll have the continuation talking about home. So thank you so much and good night. She have a restful evening. She.